FBI.
Suspected crossed into Lusk, Wyoming.
Wow. I'm born with it. You see nothing. It's like a bomb, like. I'm born with it, so I'm not born with it. I'm not born with it, that's what it is. I'm born with it. And you can't take it from me. You can't take it.
Keep up with him in four-wheel drive in the pickup he had.
You can't take it.
He went down to a ranch place and across a
Block of chicken.
up into the pastures through fences and things where we couldn't chase him.
Authorities lost him again. So Lusk police team with the Brevard County Sheriff's Department. Sheriff Samuel advised a 10-mile perimeter to contain Moses.
The perimeter was a very large area.
In the bottom. Don't want to stop. Don't want to stop. Fucked up. Look at my laugh. Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't fuck me. You got to top me.
Every law enforcement officer in the area.
Take your time. That's what you call the bottom. Be patient. Be patient. Patient kid, yeah. Patient kid. All remember that, yeah. Patient kid.
Not quiet to leave.
Do you hear me? Patient kid. I hear you. Patient kid. Remember that. Patient kid. Patient kid. Remember that. Patient kid. Patient kid. I hear that. Patient kid.
You say if you can't quiet yourself, I get to come out there.
No, man.
Before he got
So, you want long south?
that we would have it.
I think that. I'm
I
with
knew
you.
the rancher people that were there. I was very, very concerned for their safety of him entering the house at gunpoint, taking him hostage and shooting him and
You see what you spell?
leaving the area.
You see what you spell? You nasty.
Although Moses was somewhere within the 10-mile perimeter, the terrain made it too dangerous for deputies to go in.
I have to pay you.
Fuck out here now.
I hear you. I have to pay you. I have to pay you. Yo, listen to me. I have to pay you.
To go in there would have been
I have to pay you.
Don't pass a look ranking self for me, hear that?
I have to pay you. I have to
All
pay
these
you.
manners are looking my fucking face and don't ever diss me.
No, I never diss you or nothing. I have to pay you, brother. I have to pay you, brother.
Trouble down with the money, man.
Wyoming authorities with the
I have to pay you.
FBI's federal...
Yo, listen, look. Yeah, look at it.